No child will ever suck my breast. This one they come from actress Monalisa Stephen. Oh my people, if you not see wetin I see, hey, some people get load. Put this Chineke. She said she dey very overprotective over this thing that they see. Say you know, not be smart, you know. He dey protect am with a life. And according to Rai, say when she was 16 years old, say na that time she make this decision. Say for her life, say she no go ever get im own pikin. Say e better make she go do wetin they call her, adoption. Yes, e better make she adopt. And he even add say, in fact, she even fit just decide say for her whole life, he go dedicate himself to life work of catering for children. And wetin she talk. I don't know where this one they come from. I don't know who give her motivation. I don't even know wetin happen where this person. Milk factory just the waste. Children, I no just understand. You come as woman. You they talk say you no go ever born pikin. No child go suck your breast. No this one. I know people get children. They no even they see the breast where they go give. You carry load like person where they chase come up for your husband house. You don't even want get children. It better make you not marry you. Yes, so except if you want marry one demon or one person who no get conscience. No, which man in his right senses no go want get pikin? Man, I know they talk of ladies now. Which man we go tell you say, okay, baby, I agree. Let's marry, no children, no. Where the man? Except if you know be human being. No. For this generation, this our time where I know. Even before say worst. Men no they use their children play. So that one there, I don't even know who you end up go marry, because I for say okay, maybe you feel marry one old man where you don't life don't finish. You understand? You don't live in life, you don't born finish, maybe you don't retire. Except if that one, not only that one feel work for you, but say now. Oh, my sister, you know go work. Sometimes I dey wonder where people they even bring all this speech from. I not say fine, some things they come up based on our tender age when we been this small, something will happen to us, maybe they rape person, maybe they, you understand? But it's not enough reason for you to stop somebody's life. Assuming your mama talk this kind of thing, how you know you go? I wish say your mama self been talking. I wish it was your mother's plan that she will not born. No, how you they feel now? You they hear her. Sometimes, if it's possible, record yourself when you talk something. Record and play them again for your ear and see how the thing they sound. I hope say you no go complain later, or you no go come outside and they regret tomorrow. Say you it was the devil. You didn't know this one. Not try change your mind though. And if you do, self, I just pray say menopause never catch you. Because some of una go just they make some kind useless decision. Then tomorrow you come outside, they look for prayer. That way I suppose they use, they pray for money. I go come they pray now for something where you yourself, you use your hands spoil. And now I no just understand, because my people, this matter they a bit confusing. I beg, now wait till they tell me. Oh, I repeat, now wait till they tell me. Some people say she they talk this kind of thing because you know if you give birth. I beg, don't be me. They say she no fit give birth. Say you don't waste in womb. Some other people even come outside and they tell us say fat people get problem with giving birth. As in I no just understand. Many people just they bring different. I no understand. Not sure say something no they wrong with this lady. I beg, I just they ask because it they very unusual. I don't know whether not true. If you know whether not true or not, I beg make una help me, because me say I dey find answers concerning this matter. I dey wonder a woman. Oh, okay, oh, no problem. Because even asthmatics where I know, you know, saying that them they always find it difficult to deliver. Some of them they pass out in the process. Though even those people, they still they carry belly, they still they try. Now go call this one now. She's my mentor, my role model. This one, your role model. Person wey no wan born pikin, your role model. I see. Continue. Make una continue the model on herself. You understand? Till the time reach to catwalk, we go see una work. Una go dey blindly they choose people. If una like, follow her. The road is free. Follow you too. Say you are not giving birth. Continue to dey shorten your destiny because of one person's stupidity. Abeg my people, I no even know how many of una know whether na your sister abi na your cousin, but abeg this girl need serious coaching. If you know say you fit talk to her, biko go find am talk to her before you go shorten your own life and your own self. Very very important. Wetin una think concerning this matter? I don bring una matter from Monalisa, so start dey drop am for that comment section because I know say this one many attacks go come, many talk go come, so abeg I dey ready for una. Just drop am for that side and make sure say you share this video make everybody know say person no wan give birth. Very very important. And why not click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything wey we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.